Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, iPhone and computer. Plug the iPhone to power so battery won't drain and unlock it. On your computer, open Zoom settings and choose Video, but don't select a webcam yet. Once done, open the Zoom app on the iPhone, sign in, and allow camera and microphone permissions. Make sure screen lock and focus modes are off, because interruptions will break the camera feed. This primes the iPhone to act as a reliable video source. Now connect the iPhone as your Zoom camera. You can tap Join on the iPhone app, then More, and choose Use this device as camera so Zoom links devices automatically. If you prefer USB, connect iPhone to the computer, open QuickTime on Mac, create a new movie recording, then pick the iPhone as source. Zoom will see that as a camera. Once connected, go to Zoom on your computer and select the iPhone name from the camera dropdown. You'll see a live preview. Finish by optimizing the shot. Place the iPhone on a tripod, frame at eye level, and tap to lock focus and exposure so brightness won't flicker. Use the rear camera for better quality and rotate orientation to match 16:9 when needed. If the camera feed drops, reconnect the cable or Wi-Fi, restart Zoom on both devices, and confirm camera permissions. These steps resolve most problems quickly. If issues persist, switch to a wired connection to eliminate wireless instability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.